Okay, we're Team Bud, and I'm Ernest Yip.
And I'm Terry Gray.
Alright, and these two are our robots, and together they are Paws, which is pet food and water server, and this is basically our water server. And Kieran's gonna explain how we get the water from this water reservoir into our water bowl.
Okay, so we're using a mechanism called siphoning. Siphoning is based off of Pascal's principle that all pressures in the water are the same. So that pretty much makes all water connected to each other. This is the same as this. This is in the same reservoir. So this is a hole. This is just a hole in the reservoir. It's just the same as I put the hole right here.
Alright, and our gear ratio for this is a 2 to 5, and it's used to open and close our water valve so we can control when we want the water to go in and out. And this is used to determine how high the water level is so that we know if it's full or not. And basically we have a light sensor and a white nickel brick, and the brick moves up and down with the water so that if it goes high enough, then the light sensor will detect it and it will stop filling. And if it's down and the light sensor doesn't detect it, then it will just open the valve again to refill it. And right now we have it filling, and once it's high enough, it will start closing. And it's there.
Okay, it's started closing.
And now no more water.
Now it's closed so that no water will come out. Okay, so now that it's done, the cat will come over and drink. We're using a turkey baster to simulate drinking. Now, we've taken out a vital piece, which is a weight, so that it doesn't continuously do that whenever the cat drinks his sip. Yeah, this is just to speed up our process. So, over here.
Alright, and this is our food machine. This is the food tank where we contain all the food. And there's slope sides in here so that the food can go into the hole we have at the bottom and through this tube.
Okay, at the end of the tube we have a flop. The flop is run by a gear ratio. It's the same as the one over there. It's a 2 to 5. So it runs it very small, about ½ an inch to close the flop. And now we will run our robot. And we're going to process to just open the flop. And it closed the flop up so that no more water pours out, and moved out so that the cat does not have to experience this big thing in its face. So now we will simulate the cat having eaten something.
And it refills.
And it closed and refilled it.
Okay.
And those are our robots.